Welcome to Sky in Space. Puerto Rico, 26th of April 2013. It's 01:22 hours and a surveillance aircraft using a Flir camera has locked onto a target at around 3.4 nautical miles away. The target moves rapidly, but the camera keeps track. As it speeds down the port side, it is now within 3 nautical miles and has breached the periphery of Rafael Hernandez International Airport. At around 2.3 nautical miles, the crew member is able to briefly acquire the target, but then it breaks lock. Distance is now 2 nautical miles. At 1.9 nautical miles, it has now reached its closest point to the surveillance aircraft. It now heads towards the coast at low level at high speed. The target, now at 2.2 nautical miles, passes over a farm and then over a busy road. At 3.5 nautical miles, the target has now reached the coast and continues outbound. At this point, it does something strange and seems to cloak, and then become visible again, and then cloak. It's very strange how it does this. Now at 4.1 nautical miles, the camera operator is struggling to keep pace with it, and indeed, struggling to see it. At 4.6 nautical miles, the camera is zoomed onto the target, where you can see a reflection on the ocean surface. This, in my opinion, highlights the intensity of brightness that the object must be shining at. At 5.5 nautical miles distance and 3 minutes after the sighting began, the target is finally lost. The camera operator now frantically checks through all camera modes trying to regain the target. After finally admitting defeat, the crew member puts the camera back onto Rafael Hernandez International Airport and the sighting is over. This type of footage is among my favourites, and I'm sure you can understand why. Thanks for watching. This is Sky in Space.